everybody, it's Ashley here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned this dresser top into an entryway piece. So I picked this up from Goodwill for 99 cents. Exciting! And now we're about to transform it. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing here is taking off the backs, removing the mirror, and just stripping the whole piece. Alrighty, so of course our next step is going to be just wiping down the piece, getting all this dust out of there, and then we're gonna go straight to sanding. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just using an extra piece of wood that I had laying around. I'm going to do both sides this way, and I'm just going to attach it so that we can have a place to mount our legs. So here, as you can see, I'm just using my drill bit and I'm drilling the holes so that then I can add the screws so the mounts will be sturdy. Now to the chicken wire. Be careful with using chicken wire because you will scratch yourself. Literally, blood and sweat went into putting these backs in. But we're just going to staple the backs, trim it off, and then we'll be done. Okay, so here I'm going to be staining the wood in my favorite dark walnut. So now what I'm doing here is I'm taking my clamps and clamping my wood together and nailing the planks to the top. Alright, so using the jigsaw, I'm going to cut out the top. Use my sander to sand it out and wipe it down. And then using the shop vac, I'm just going to get in between where some of the sawdust got in the cracks. Okay, so then I'm going to come with my stain and I'm just going to basically be cleaning up some of the spaces that got messed up a little bit. The next step is we are going to be recoloring this because I did not like the color. I tried several times with different things, didn't work, so we're just going to do this cream color. Okay, so now we're going to clean our mirror so we can start to spray paint. Hey guys! And then using our chalkboard spray paint, we are just going to spray the mirror. So now we're going to take this cardboard that I reused from a dresser bottom, and we're just going to cut little strips out so that we can cover our chicken wire on the back of this entryway piece. Alright y'all, so we're all finished and I love how this turned out. I literally changed this piece I don't know how many times, but I'm glad that I took those days away from this piece because this turned out amazing. I absolutely love the chalkboard in the middle, the chicken wire, the color scheme together, super cute. And this is a cute entryway piece or a TV console. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and you guys hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video and thanks for watching. Bye.